Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Guess what day it is? It's Gymshark Day. I'm Jess, I love all things fitness, healthy lifestyle, and activewear. If you like those things too, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. It is the day that my Gymshark order has arrived from the Whitney Simmons collection. And not just one order, but actually two. You know why? Because I got in, I got out, and then I went back for more. So I totally went in with a strategy. Her colors were so beautiful, but last time it was a mess. I didn't get anything at all. It was so sad. So this time I had a strategy. I said, you know what? That brown color is beautiful. And I don't think as many people are going for the brown. I don't know why. But like the beautiful blue and the green and all of that, I feel like those were the colors that people were like jumping on. So I went in with a strategy. I said, I'm going to go for the brown because the brown is gorgeous. I think it'll look great on me. And I think less people will go for that. So maybe I'll actually have a fighting chance. And guess what? The strategy paid off and here it is. So I'm so excited. I got the Whitney high-rise leggings in chocolate size medium, the Whitney sports bra chocolate size medium, and just for kicks, I decided to get the Adapt ombre leggings in raspberry red marl because I also recently got the red training sports bra and I think it'll match that. So we'll find out soon. So that was my first order. In, out. I had a mini scare when I was checking out through PayPal because it made me wait. Like I went to PayPal and then I came back and I had to wait and all that stuff. But I got through. It was so exciting. So I went back for more and I did try to get some of the green, but that didn't work out. It like left my cart. So then I decided to get the black because who doesn't need another pair of black leggings? I probably don't, but I do, you know. So I got the Whitney rib waist leggings in black medium. So that will be cool to try the other style of leggings. I also got the Whitney sports bra in black. So excited for that. And then I also got the Vital Seamless in the green marl. Oh my God, it is so gorgeous. So I am so excited to try all this on. Oh my gosh, I am in love. This material is so soft and sleek and buttery. Oh my Lord. Why did it take Whitney to create this fabric? Come on, Gymshark. They better keep this fabric around. I don't know how they're gonna do it, but it is so incredible. I absolutely love the sports bra. The little seam up the front is so cute. The Whitney Simmons is so cute. The back, look at the back. Honestly, I almost think the back is better than the front because you've got the gorgeous laser cut detail on the pants and then this awesome ring in the back is just so different. I just love the details so much. I think she knocked it out of the park. It is so gorgeous. And the red, this like red cherry chocolate is so beautiful. I'm so glad I grabbed it. It is the perfect fall color, but really you could wear it year round. I am so excited about this. We are back in black and I love it. I love it. I love the sports bra so much. Even though it's just a basic black sports bra, it's not basic. It is so flattering. I love the neckline. Like I said before, I absolutely love the back. The leggings, I think I do prefer the original ones in the brown that I got. These are the ones with the ribbed waistband and you don't get the laser cut detail on the back. So these are supposed to be a little bit more compressive in the tummy, and then they do have on the ankle, it's just like a little bit ruched, although it's very slight. You don't really notice it that much. But I do think the back of the leggings is very flattering. So again, like not like it's a basic black legging, but it's not basic because it does have those details. Obviously it's got the Whitney, which is so cute. It's a beautiful day to be alive on there. I mean, I couldn't help but grab them. They were sold out. I was gonna get the originals and they were sold out. I think all of those were sold out by that point. And I almost didn't go back for more because I was like, let somebody else get some stuff. But I was like, you know what? If there's stuff to be had, then I will have it. So I did think it would be fun just to pick up the black pieces because then I can totally mix and match with other things. It's not like I have to always wear it as a set, and it'll just be fun to wear my Whitney leggings. These are the Adapt Ombre leggings. I picked these up because I just got the red training bra and I thought it would be really fun together. It's not an exact match from this part to here, but because these have the ombre, I think it really coordinates well. And I'm just like really feeling the red right now. Like, I don't think red is typically a color for clothes that I'm like immediately drawn to, but I don't know, something like spicy about the fall. I just thought it would be really, really cute. So I grabbed the training bra and then I could lie and I could say it was an impulse purchase, but it was not. I actually put these in my cart as I was waiting for the Whitney stuff to go up. I was testing out the student discount to see if my code worked, and it did. So while I was waiting, I had these in my cart, and you better believe when I checked out, they didn't go anywhere. So I really love this together. I think it's so cute. And for Gymshark, these are completely different from anything I have. I don't have any red from them. I do have like the pink marl, and then I have the camo in the green and the kind of like bluish turquoise. So I just love that these are different and I'm really feeling it. Last but not least, I have the Vital Seamless in the olive marl. This color is so gorgeous. When I saw Ashley Gata showing this, I knew it had to be mine. And that was part of the reason I went back in for more of the Whitney collection, because I was so focused on getting the original Whitney Brown set. I didn't want to waste any time. The olive marl was releasing the same day, and I just didn't want to risk not getting my Whitney pieces by fumbling through trying to find this. So it was part of the reason I went back for more of the Whitney so that I could also get the Vital in the olive marl. I love the Vital Seamless leggings. I love the material. I think it's so sleek. I love the dotted detail. It's so cool. Like, it just adds a little interest without being too flashy. I don't tend to like a lot of pattern. Like, I do have some printed leggings, but I don't tend to like things with a lot of stuff going on. So this kind of, the dot detail, it's like subtle. I do think the sports bra is a little bit plain. I don't know what I would prefer. I love matching sets, so I definitely wanted to get the sports bra when I was picking up the leggings, but I just feel like these sports bras are like a little bit boring. I know that's terrible to say. It's just like a really classic racerback. I don't know what I wish was different. Maybe like if it scooped a little more, so you had like a little bit more of the girls showing, kind of like the Whitney one, or I don't even know. So I did pick it up because I definitely wanted the full set, but the sports bra in the Vital range just doesn't really excite me, if you know what I mean. So let me know down below, how do you feel about the Vital range? I love the leggings. I think they're phenomenal. And like I said, I am a sucker for a matching set. So I really hope you enjoyed this haul. I will have coming up soon an update to my last haul, and you're gonna see me trying on the red training bra in that, because I had, when I did my camo order, I had some things I needed to switch out. So you will see an updated haul, but this is probably gonna go up before it. It's a little out of order because, you know, Whitney, like, I gotta show off the goods. I hope that you got some Whitney items too. They are so beautiful and she did such an amazing job. I just love Whitney Simmons. I don't watch her a lot these days because I am watching so many smaller YouTubers, but she just has the best energy and I love everything that she's doing. And this collection just like reminded me how much I do love her. It makes me want to like go back and watch her more. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day. Stay positive. Bye.